Meaning of dodgy.
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 Dodgy. The word dodgy is commonly used to describe something that is considered unreliable, risky, or suspicious. It is often used to describe people or things that are involved in shady or unethical activities. For instance, a dodgy dealer refers to a seller who is untrustworthy and could potentially scam their customers. Similarly, a dodgy website is one that may contain malware, viruses, or be involved in phishing scams. In summary, the term dodgy carries negative connotations and is used to describe situations or individuals that lack credibility or trustworthiness.